Welcome to the world's most luxurious Halal chocolate factory.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Halal factory. Today you'll discover how luxury halal chocolate is made from premium cocoa beans to world-class chocolate.
Only the finest cocoa pods are selected for our premium chocolate. Every ripe cocoa pod is harvested with great care. Fresh cocoa beans are ready for fermentation. Only the finest cocoa beans continue to the next process. Perfect drying creates premium cocoa quality.
Every cocoa bean meets our highest quality standards.
Natural fermentation develops the chocolate's rich flavor.
Premium cocoa beans are packed and ready for transport. The premium cocoa beans are ready for factory delivery. Welcome. The chocolate production begins here. Every cocoa bean is perfectly cleaned. Perfect roasting creates exceptional chocolate flavor.
The cocoa beans are perfectly cooled and ready.
Precision cracking protects every premium cocoa nib. Pure cocoa nibs are ready for grinding.
The cocoa nibs have become smooth, liquid chocolate.
Premium cocoa liquor is ready for the next stage.
Pure cocoa butter has been extracted successfully. Every ingredient is measured with perfect precision.
The chocolate is now perfectly smooth.
The conching process creates our signature luxury flavor. Perfect tempering guarantees premium shine and texture. Every chocolate bar now has a flawless finish. Cooling is complete. The chocolate has set perfectly. Every chocolate mold is filled with perfect precision. Premium roasted almonds create a rich chocolate experience. Every chocolate bar is perfectly formed. Our hazelnut chocolate is crafted with perfect precision. Premium pistachios create a truly luxurious chocolate. Every caramel-filled chocolate is perfectly sealed. The wafer is perfectly coated with premium chocolate. Our white chocolate is silky smooth and perfectly tempered. Premium dark chocolate is crafted to perfection. Our premium milk chocolate is perfectly smooth and creamy.
Every chocolate collection is assembled with perfection. Luxury packaging reflects our premium chocolate.
Every gift box is finished with elegance.
This collection represents our finest luxury chocolate.
Our premium chocolates are now ready for packaging. Every chocolate bar is perfectly wrapped and sealed. Premium wrappers are printed with perfect precision. Every chocolate passes our final AI inspection. Every export carton is packed with care and precision. Every carton is securely sealed for safe delivery. Each pallet is stacked safely and accurately. Every shipment is digitally tracked with complete accuracy. Every pallet is stored using our smart warehouse system.
Every shipment meets our highest quality standards.
All export pallets have arrived at the loading bay.
Loading completed successfully, ready for global export. Every truck is ready for international delivery. Our luxury halal chocolate is ready to delight customers around the world. Our premium chocolate is now ready for global distribution.
Welcome to our premium halal chocolate collection.
Crafted with care, enjoyed with family. Thank you for your dedication and commitment to excellence. Congratulations on your outstanding dedication and hard work. Cleanliness ensures the highest halal quality standards. From premium cocoa beans to world-class halal chocolate, every step is crafted with excellence.
Thank you for visiting the Halal Factory. We look forward to welcoming you again in our next factory journey. Assalamu alaikum.